Shayla. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you. If you're not new, then we welcome you back. Today, what I'm going to be sharing with you is how to make a balloon column. Today is going to actually be a Valentine's Day edition. Now, you can always make a balloon column for any occasion, whether it's Valentine's Day, birthday, baby shower, wedding, any occasion. So I'm going to go ahead over our supplies. The supplies that you'll be needing, of course, is a balloon pump. If you don't have an electric balloon pump, you can also use a handheld balloon pump. I have a balloon sizer. I have some balloon ribbon, because this is going to be made from scratch. You'll need one balloon weight, a balloon straw, I guess that's what you call this, a pair of scissors. The most important part is going to need your balloons. I have red balloons. We're going to be doing 5 of each. This balloon column is not going to be too tall. This will more so be like a small one, but the topper that I'm going to put on top of it will make it a little bit taller. So I have 5 red balloons. I have 5 silver balloons. I have 5 pink balloons. And then I have 5 white balloons. And this is going to be our balloon topper. Let's get into the video. So what I'm going to start off doing is blowing up my balloons. And I usually blow up all of my balloons, and then I'll tell you how to do your next step. And when you blow up your balloon, after you blow it up, you kind of want to push down on it like this, or put it on a flat surface and push some of the air out. That way it gives you a more rounded balloon. Your balloon should look like this. This is the shape that you don't want your balloons to be. So that's why I say push down on it, push on the flat surface, and let some of that air out. Don't be scared to blow them up now. So once you're done blowing up all of your balloons should look like this. Put them side by side and measure them up against one another. And after you do that, you're going to want to tie your balloons into pairs. And it's easy to just do it like so. You know, tie them into pairs like that. You want to take your 2 pairs and make them into quads. So you're going to want to, in the center, put the balloons together and then just wrap them over about 2 times. To make sure that they all look alike, like this, once they're into quads. Now I'm going to show you all how to blow up your foil balloon. So again, this is my topper. Stick your straw in the valve right there, if you can see that. You just stick it through there, up through there like that. And you're going to want to take it out. And then for your balloon pump, you're going to want to take this piece and do the same as you did with the straw. Just stick it through there and blow it on up. Then you press it on down like this. You want to take your balloon weight and your balloon ribbon and your scissors, of course. And what you do is at the end of your balloon ribbon, just take it and tie it through. Take a quad, and in between your balloons, you just slide and push your balloons down and make sure it's flat. You're going to take your balloon ribbon and just wrap it around. I usually wrap mine around each of my balloons. Bring it around here and wrap it through that. And then you're going to just do each quad the same way. So you're going to want to make sure all of your balloons the same pattern as I said before and just spiral it. So instead of doing it like stacking it on top of each other, just spiral and line your balloons up with the same color. And you take your balloon string again and just go through. Keep coming through. And right now your balloon weight is going to look a little lazy, but that's okay. Just wrap it on through. What your column should look like. Once you finish wrapping your balloon ribbon around, just cut your string. Cut this about this much. Take your balloon topper and roll it up. And just take your string and tie it in a knot. And once you finish tying your balloon topper ribbon on, it should look like that. Set it in the center of your balloon column, and then take that balloon ribbon and wrap it around. So this is the final finished balloon column. Thank you all so much for tuning in to the Upshaw family channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And we thank you all again for watching. We appreciate it, and we hope each and every one of you have a happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day from the Upshaw family.